guys, so it's ATL. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs4, what you guys been up to? Any quick questions? Anything to say? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just cooking up news for a new recipe that I'm going to be trying for supper tonight. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So that's what we are doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done making the pasta.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's GoDogs4.
So right now, you guys, we are just making, what are we making, Mom? Cheesecake. That's it.
Oh, you go down here.
Cheesecake, that's what we're making, so that's pretty cool.
There, I got it.
Cheesecake. Raspberry cheesecake.
Raspberry cheesecake.
So that's what we're making. Plus, I'm making something special for dinner tonight with my parents. So my parents are coming over for supper. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. How good it is. Looks so good. Look at that, you guys. That's not done yet, but it's gonna go in the oven pretty soon sometime. There's the cheesecake, you guys. It looks so good. I'm just mixing this salad up. So that's what she's trying to do, mixing the salad up, which is awesome. That's the finished touch, you guys. So right now we are playing some categories, let us be, so that's pretty cool and exciting with Mom and Dad. So hello. So that's pretty amazing. So I'm getting TH video, you guys. Yeah, I'm getting TH video. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Good.